Good day, everyone. Chris here from TD Motion. Another EFI fuel tank conversion kit. This one a little bit different. It's actually a 1-barrel throttle body. So why would you use this versus a 4-barrel? People that want to just keep it a factory. In this case, this is a 66 Mustang with a 170 inline 6. It had the old Autolite carburetor on there. So he's going to switch it over to fuel injection. Just going to be a more consistent starts. Snappier throttle response, a little better fuel economy as well. So go a little bit deeper into this throttle body. Cool little piece here. Right here is the throttle linkage itself. You have same fittings principles as a 4-barrel throttle body. Idle air control, throttle position sensor, and then you have your fuel inlets right here for the feed and return. And then you have all your wire hookups right here. That might be for your oxygen sensor, coolant temperature sensor, your 7-pin connector, for the feed that's going to hook up for your display. And then moving over to here, you have, of course, all the other auxiliary pieces. This, the oxygen sensor itself, the coolant temperature sensor, the handheld, the gasket. And then you have the clamps here for the oxygen sensor, the wire hookup, the remaining wire hookups that you need. And you go over here, we have the fuel line, enough for the feed and return, your fittings, your AN fittings, your clamps, and of course the fuel tank itself. This tank is galvanized, protected from the elements, and then you're going to have your filter, the fuel pump hanger, and this is the fuel level right here, and then the inlet itself. So it comes as a complete package, all available at tdmotion.com. Keep checking out our website for more details.